guys, welcome back to my channel, Barbie's Adventures. So today we're going to be unboxing this Chelsea's Club Barbie doll. He's so cute. I'm going to get him out. This is what he looks like out of the box. I think he's so cute. So right now he's wearing these super cute green tennis shoes. Let me see if I can get a better close up. They're so adorable. And his outfit is so cute. He's wearing these jean shorts with this cute top that has three skateboards actually. And I love his hair color. So I was thinking, so if like Ken can be his brother, I think Ken should be his brother. Because they look similar. And I'm going to do a whole different video about that. Him moving. I don't have a name for him yet. So I'm thinking of Blake. But I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if this video was very short. I feel like the unboxing videos are shorter than my other video. So, bye guys. Hope you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and sorry you guys can't comment or hit the bell, but bye.